Hi guys, welcome you all in M-CAD Foundation and hope you all are doing well. So in this tutorial I'm gonna cover that one random doubt like most frequently asked by users and students. So it's to CATIA. So the doubt is like while creating 3D, so we all get this kind of irregular shapes in circular path. Like see, this is one circular circle in 3D. As a 3D you can see, this is one circular. Okay, but in this circular shape you can see this kind of shape is coming. So this is one kind of a blur which is coming in that your 3D object. Okay, so you can see here also, not only here, like wherever like circular objects are there now, so on that position you can see here in this position also this kind of a blur is coming. Okay, so what I have to do, I'll change some settings in this CATIA V5, and after that setting you can see the problem will be resolved. Okay, so what I have to do, I'll go in tools and option, then I have to select here display, and in display once I'll zoom this one, tools, option, then display, then I have to go performance. Okay, so select performance here, and here is that one 3D accuracy. Okay, in this 3D accuracy I have to change this one, this value, and if the same problem is happen in 2D also, so you have to change fixed here also. Okay, so I'll change the value in 3D, so it's 0.20, I have to change with 0.02. Okay, and next in 2D also I have to change 0.02. So make sure that your this one is in fixed. Okay, and change this is as in 0.02. Okay, and click on OK. Now you can see here this position which I told you last. See here, position I told you, it's in full circular path. Okay, and you can see here also. Okay, full circular path. So this is how this performance command is working in options, and hope you all are enjoyed this video, and if you have any doubt please comment on the video, and goodbye.